favorite celebrity is on your screen, looking you right in the eye and promising that a simple kitchen ingredient is the key to a total body transformation. It looks like a real news segment. It sounds like a real interview. But the truth is much darker and more digital than you might think. We are seeing a massive surge in products like Thermo Burn Pro. They use highly sophisticated deepfakes to sell what is essentially a lie wrapped in a glossy package. They use the faces of people like Oprah or prominent medical figures like Dr. Anna to give themselves a thin layer of unearned credibility. These famous people have no idea their likeness is being used to peddle these formulas. Their voices are cloned. Their mouth movements are synced to scripts they never wrote. The core claim here is that a baking soda-based recipe can somehow ignite your metabolism and melt away fat without any effort. Let's look at the actual science for a moment because it is pretty underwhelming. Baking soda is just sodium bicarbonate. It is a staple in every kitchen for a reason. It helps bread rise. It neutralizes odors. It can even settle an upset stomach because it acts as an effective antacid. What it does not do is chemically target your fat cells or override the laws of biology. There is zero scientific evidence that consuming this stuff leads to significant or sustainable weight loss. If it were that easy, the fitness industry would have folded decades ago. The danger here is not just the product itself. It is the way these ads are engineered to bypass your skepticism. They use emotional hooks and professional editing to create a sense of urgency. They make you feel like you have finally found the hidden secret that the experts have been keeping from you. This is a classic manipulation tactic. These companies are betting on the fact that you want a shortcut. They know that weight loss is hard and often frustrating. They prey on that frustration by using AI to generate voices and faces that you already trust. It is a predatory way to do business. When you peel back the layers of this high-tech marketing, you find a very basic supplement that likely does almost nothing for your fitness goals. Sustainable health is built on the boring stuff like consistent movement and a balanced diet. No amount of sodium bicarbonate can replace the fundamentals of a calorie deficit. We have to be incredibly careful about what we believe online. The technology to mimic human speech and movement has outpaced our natural ability to spot a scam. If a video seems too perfect, or a claim seems too miraculous, it is almost certainly a fake. These digital puppets are designed to drain your wallet, not your waistline. The reality is that there are no shortcuts. You have to do the work. Don't let a clever computer program convince you otherwise. Stay skeptical and keep your money in your pocket, because a miracle in a bottle is usually just a mirage. Stripping away the hype reveals a truth that is far less exciting. You are looking at an aggressive marketing campaign for a product that cannot deliver on its promises. Real weight management requires patience. It requires a plan that does not rely on kitchen staples or deep-fake endorsements. Reality wins every single time. So do not let the digital smoke and mirrors lead you astray. The truth is always simpler than the scam.